Hello, in front of me I have got TOZO OpenEgo. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, take a look at your earbuds. Right here we've got the left and here we've got the right earbud. Simply press twice on the left earbud to select previous song and twice on the right earbud to select next song. Press and hold on the left earbud to decrease volume and on the right earbud to increase volume. Press once on the left earbud to play pause and also to answer the call. To hang up, press and hold on the either earbud. To reject call, press and hold on either earbud. To activate voice assistant, press 3 times on either earbud. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.